Hello student, I am Abha Kumari. Today I am going to start a new chapter of class 8 which is rational number. Before starting this chapter, I want to revise some basic concepts of the previous classes like natural number, whole number and integers or fraction. Natural number. We know the definition of natural number is all counting numbers are natural number like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Smallest natural number is 1 and the largest natural number is not defined. Next is whole number. Whole number, the definition of whole number is all natural number including 0 is known as whole number. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on are example of whole number. Next is integer. Integer, all whole number and negative of natural number are integer. Example -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Here no one can define smallest integer or largest integer. Fraction, we know fraction. Fraction is a form of a by b or p by q where a and b are natural number, where a is called numerator and b is called denominator. For example, 2 by 3, 5 by 7, 2 by 9, 7 by 5 and so on. We can take any example. So now all these concepts have already been discussed in previous classes. Now I am going to start a chapter and come to the topic, main topic. Main topic is our rational number. So first we see the definition of rational number or what is rational number. A rational number is a number which is in the form of p by q. A rational number is a number which is in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not is equal to 0 and q not equal to 0. Q is denominator, so we can say that denominator part is never be 0. For example, 7 by 3, -3 by 2, 6 by 5, 17, 0 and so on. We can take any example. 0 by 1. 0 is also a rational number. 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0. We can write any number in denominator of 0. So here denominator is not 0. If denominator is 0, so it is not defined. We can explain all these concepts through this Venn diagram. This Venn diagram shows that natural number, whole number, integer is denoted by I or Z also. Q is our rational number. Rational number is denoted by Q. Here it is seen that all natural number is in whole number and all whole number is in integer, is a part of integer, or we can also say that all natural number, whole number, integer is a part of rational number. Means we can say that all integers are rational number, but all rational numbers are not integer. All whole numbers are rational number, but all rational numbers are not whole number. All natural numbers are rational number, but all rational numbers are not natural number. Natural number is whole number, but all whole number is not a natural number. Okay, so in this chapter now some basic concept we also want to know. Come to some basic concept in this chapter, or we all can also say that terms of rational number. There are so many terms in rational numbers. First is positive rational number, next negative rational number, equivalent rational number in standard form. So don't waste my time. Let's start our first topic, positive rational number. Positive rational number. a rational number is positive if its numerator and denominator are of the same sign. Or we can say that a rational number is positive if its numerator and denominator are either of positive sign or negative sign. For example, 2 by 7. Here the sign of 2 is positive, 7 is also positive. So 2 by 7 is a positive rational number. Minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5, the sign of 2 is minus, negative. Minus 5, the sign of 5 is also negative. So minus 2 by minus 5 is also a positive rational number, because a rational number is positive if its numerator and denominator are of the same sign. Now come to the next topic. Next term of rational number is negative rational number. Negative rational number, it is a rational number is negative if its numerator and denominator are of the opposite sign. Means either if numerator part is negative, then denominator part is positive. If numerator part is positive, then denominator part is always negative. So a rational number is negative if its numerator and denominator are of the opposite sign. For example, minus 2 by 3. Here the sign of 2 is negative and 3 is positive. Opposite sign, so it is a negative rational number. Minus 5 by 8 is also negative rational number. 3 by minus 4 is also negative rational number, and so on. Next is equivalent rational number. Equivalent rational numbers are rational numbers that have the same value but which are represented in a different form. Equivalent rational number are rational number that have the same value but which are represented in a different form. For example, let us take an example, 3 by 4. 3 by 4, if we multiplying both numerator and denominator of 3 by 4 with 2, we get 3 into 2 is 6. 4 into 2 is 8. So 6 by 8. If we multiply both numerator and denominator by 3, we get 9 by 12. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Or if 5, then 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, etc. So all these numbers are represented in different form, but all are equivalent rational number. If we simplify 6 by 8, we get 3 by 4. If we simplify 9 by 12, we again get 3 by 4. The value of 15 by 14 is also a 3 by 4. If we simplify 15 by 20, we get 3 by 4. Next is rational number in standard form. A rational number is said to be in the standard form if its numerator is a positive. If its denominator is a positive integer, if its denominator is a positive integer and the numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1, means their HCF is always 1. A rational number is said to be in standard form if its denominator is a positive integer. जो denominator है वो हमेशा positive होगा and the numerator and denominator have no common factor. दोनों में कोई common factor नहीं होगा. It means इसका HCF क्या होगा? 1 होगा. या अगर common factor और कह सकते हैं in other word we can say that no common factor other than 1. For example, 6 by 7, minus 1 by 2, 7 by 13, and so on. We can take any example. Thank you.